What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back again with yet another video. Today I am just here with yet another haul to just plug all of you guys. I actually went to China City this past weekend and I got a few items that I just feel like they're just worth just plugging all of you. So without wasting any more of your time, let me get straight to this video. So the first items that I got are actually these two lip liners. I actually use purple, red, and nude or gloss. Those are like the only colors that I'm comfortable with. So I only got two of these. These were R5 each, guys. All my makeup stuff, actually, I got it from the same shop. I'm going to take a picture of the slip and then I'm going to leave it up there because I feel like maybe it won't show. Yeah, I don't think it's going to show, so I'm going to post it up there so you guys can screenshot it for yourself or whenever you're going there. So I got two lip liners, the red and brown slash nude color. This was R5 each, so this was 10 bucks, very nice and cheap. Second up, I got these two gel nail polish in white and in black. It was 20 rands each, so it was 40 bucks for two. These are very nice, guys. I've already tried one. These are very nice for like when you want to take a break from like the long nails and stuff. Like right now I'm actually taking a break. I'm tired of nails, I just need a break. So I'm going to use these, the white one or the black one or both or whatever, I don't know. These are very nice. I've already tried the white one before. It's very nice, it works. So it was actually 20 bucks each and they had a lot of colors. It's such a lot of variety. You can just choose from them. If you're a nail tech, you can go and plug yourself. If you're just somebody that likes nail polish and stuff, nail gel, what nails in general, you can just go there. It works. It's very cheap and it's very nice. It's like good quality and stuff. I got it also from the same shop for 20 bucks each, so it was 40 rands. Next up, I got this tattoo eyebrows. I'm very excited about this one because I actually like makeup, but because I don't know how to draw eyebrows, I normally just refrain from anything makeup, guys. I'm sure you can tell from this face that there's nothing big here. I was just touching up so I can look presentable. I'm very bad with makeup. I really don't know what to do when it comes to makeup. I think most of my problems come from the fact that I cannot draw eyebrows. So since now I can paste these, listen, like I'm going to wear makeup everywhere I go, work, wherever, anyway, I'll just plug myself. These were actually 10 rands. I should have got more now that I think about it because I only got one. My only issue with this is I do not know if I'm supposed to just tweeze these or am I supposed to shave everything off and then paste this on. I don't know what happens, but all I know is whenever you're using them, you actually peel off this one and then you paste it, you peel off the other one and you paste it on your eyebrows, and then you just do the rest of your makeup and exclude the eyebrows. It actually says waterproof, safe and easy to use. So I haven't tested these and I'd like to say that I'll insert a video, but I think I'd be lying because I don't want to waste them. Like I want to actually try them on when I know that I'm going somewhere and I need to make sure that it's gonna work and stuff. But this was very nice. This was 10 rands at the same shop. So next up, I actually have this makeup brush holder. Oh my goodness, guys, this is like so pretty. This is so gorgeous. This is literally like everything that I want, everything that I love for my bedroom. Like it's just gold, guys, white and gold. Like I just love white and gold so much. I think if you watch my previous haul, you actually like remember that I got one from like Shit Street. It was a plastic, yeah, it was plastic. That was definitely plastic. It was a plastic like makeup brush holder. It was just so ghetto, it was so ugly. I ended up using it for toothbrushes or something in the bathroom. So this one, this is just so pretty, guys. Like this is just aesthetically pleasing. The gold is just so nice. It's a gold like blinged up, glowing look. I don't even know how to explain it. It's so nice and it's so spacious. Actually, let me put my makeup brushes so you guys can see. For some of you that actually love makeup a lot and you have a lot of brushes, this is very big. Like it fits everything. I actually almost got it on Takealot. It was 180 rands on Takealot, but I don't know why I ended up not getting it. But I'm glad because listen, anybody loves, I don't know, maybe it's me only, I just love a good deal. Like any time where I just get something lesser, cheaper, whatever, I'm just proud. I'm just actually 80 rands at the same shop. So next up, we actually have this one right here. I got her for 100 rands from, I actually forgot the name of the shop, guys, like that's the problem. But let me tell you something, they're actually in all the shops everywhere where they sell like this type of stuff. They have it for the same price. It was 100 bucks. It was actually 85 when you get the cushion only, and then when you get the cushion cover only. But if you want both with the cushion, it was going for 100 rand. So this was 100 rand. I'm very happy about it, guys. Although I hate the bag, I really hate the bag. I think this is hand wash because of this material they used here at the back. It's really not nice, but when you just put it at the back like this, nobody's going to see. So I got this for the purpose of the couch, but I think I'll end up using it for the bedroom or something like that. So I don't know, guys, but I'm going to put a video up there just to show you guys how it looks like on the, it's very nice. Like, it's very nice. It's very nice. It just, this part, it just makes it look cheap. I just hate this. Maybe they should have used white color, or I don't know, or a different material, something silky, something, I don't know, man. But this one just makes it look cheap. I hate this material at the back, but when you're just looking at it from this part, this is very nice, guys. It's very cute, and this actually doesn't come off. Like, you can literally pull and pull, like you won't come out with anything, which is very weird because you would expect that it's going to be poor quality considering it's like China mall and stuff. But this is very nice, it's very cute, and it does the job. Let's put it back where she's supposed to be. Next up, I'm very happy about this one, guys. Let me tell you something, like, your favorite shops sell this for an insane amount. Like, this rug, I've seen it at Mr. Price. I think it was 600 rands, or was it 5 something, or I don't know, but I think it was 600 rands. I got this for 250 at the same shop. This is just like a white rug. This is so beautiful, man. Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I'm also going to insert a video out there because I think just me holding it up like this is just not doing enough justice. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the bed, how it looks on the floor, how it looks on the couch. I'm just going to put videos up there so I can just give you guys just a clear vision. This is nice. This is like aesthetically pleasing. You know, we just all about aesthetics these days, guys. This is very nice. This is, you can even under your mirror, you know, where you put just your mirror, just so that whenever you're taking a selfie, it looks bomb. You can put it on your bed, put your tray on just to hold this thing. You know how they normally put the fleece at the edge of the bed? You can put this instead. You can do a lot with that. I should have actually got more because one is not gonna be enough. This was 250 from the same shop that I got these. So next up, I actually got this rug. I'm not sure of the measurements, but I think it's 2 meters by something. It was actually 1.5, but then I negotiated the price and I got it for 1,300 rands. It's very nice. I like what it did to the sitting room. It brought so much light. Next up, I got these curtains. It was 200 rands for 4 meters by 260. I think I actually undid the seam at the bottom there because it was just too short, but I love them so much. It's white, it's what I like. And the icing on the top, obviously, that I just got it for 200 rands. Like, guys, can you imagine? Just 200 bucks for a 2 meters. It's actually 4 meters by 260. One more time, just an overview of the rug. It looks so nice, guys. It brought so much lighting because this window was just too small, so this carpet just made it look nicer and look brighter. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before I leave, I'd just like to just take this time and just thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. It really means a lot. I really appreciate the love. You guys already know the drill. I appreciate it. I love all of you for staying tuned to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Happy Easters, happy holidays. Ciao.